Have you ever stopped and wondered, why does a week have exactly 7 days? Not 5. Not 10. But 7? It's so deeply ingrained in our lives that we rarely question it. But the answer goes back thousands of years, and it starts with the sky. Long before modern science, ancient civilizations looked up at the night sky and noticed something unusual. There were 7 moving objects that didn't behave like the fixed stars. These were the Sun, the Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn. Today we know these as celestial bodies, but back then, they were considered powerful cosmic entities, often associated with gods. The ancient Babylonians were among the first to organize time based on these 7 celestial objects. They assigned each one to a day. And just like that, the idea of a 7-day cycle was born. But why did this system survive? Because it didn't just stay in Babylon. The Romans adopted it. Each day of the week was named after a planet, or a god associated with that planet. For example, Sunday comes from the sun, Monday from the moon, Saturday from Saturn. Other days evolved linguistically, but their planetary origins remain. Then came religion, which made the system permanent. In Judaism, the 7-day week was tied to the creation story, 6 days of creation, and the 7th day of rest. Christianity and later Islam also adopted this weekly cycle. So now, the 7-day week wasn't just astronomical, it became sacred. That made it nearly impossible to change. In fact, there were attempts. During the French Revolution, people tried to introduce a 10-day week to decimalize time. But it failed. Why? Because the 7-day week was already embedded in culture, religion, and daily life. People simply refused to give it up. And that's why, even today, across every country, every culture, and every calendar, we still follow a system based on ancient sky observations. So the next time you look forward to the weekend, remember, you are actually following a rhythm that began thousands of years ago, written in the stars. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates.